It was a rainy shift for the trooper, but he still had a job to do. While on patrol, he observed a black car with a gray trunk and ran the license plate, discovering that the registration had expired. When the trooper attempted to pull the driver over, the driver refused to stop and instead sped away, igniting a high-speed pursuit despite the dangerous weather conditions. The suspect didn't care about the rain or the slippery roads and continued driving like a maniac, quickly reaching triple-digit speeds. Meanwhile, the trooper stayed calm and thought with his head, slightly reducing his speed due to the dangerous conditions, but maintaining perfect control of his patrol car so the suspect couldn't escape him, proving that experience behind the wheel is priceless.
Show me your hands! Leave your hands right there where I can see them. You hear me? You understand what I'm telling you? Solomon Grove Road. Turn it off. Get out of the car. Crawl out. Crawl out. Get out. Get out. Get on the ground.
And in the end, the smarter one wins. The trooper executed a pit maneuver that was, to say the least, perfect. After the vehicle came to a stop, the trooper approached and pulled the driver out through the window since the patrol car had blocked the doors. The suspect was then arrested and taken into custody without further incident, now facing a full list of charges. On April 26, 2024, the Saline County Sheriff's Office reported they were pursuing a white passenger vehicle on Interstate 30 westbound after it was seen traveling over 100 miles per hour. Deputies soon lost sight of the vehicle, but minutes later, Trooper Clayton Block spotted it near mile marker 116 and attempted a traffic stop. The driver refused to stop, and the pursuit continued. The suspect began weaving in and out of traffic at speeds between 90 and 100 miles per hour in a 60 mile per hour construction zone, even passing vehicles on the right shoulder. As the chase continued, the driver suddenly entered an active construction area between the westbound and eastbound lanes, an area closed to normal traffic. While speeding through the construction zone, the vehicle narrowly missed heavy equipment and several construction workers before finally coming to a stop near mile marker 111. Troopers quickly took the driver into custody without further incident, and he was transported to the Saline County Jail, where he faced multiple charges, including fleeing, reckless driving, speeding, and fictitious tags. On November 5, 2024, a Florida trooper responded to a report of a stolen blue Mitsubishi fleeing southbound on Richview Road. While approaching the area, the trooper spotted the vehicle turning onto Appalachie Parkway at a high rate of speed. With lights and sirens already activated, he got behind the car to initiate a traffic stop, but the driver accelerated and attempted to flee. The trooper followed and attempted a pit maneuver, forcing the vehicle back into the westbound lanes before performing another pit maneuver that successfully pinned the car against a pedestrian guardrail. The driver was then pulled from the vehicle and taken to the ground. He was identified as Antoine Jones and arrested for grand theft of a motor vehicle and fleeing and eluding before being transported to jail. On January 1, 2024, Trooper First Class Lewis was patrolling near South County Line Road and Georgia Highway 133 when he spotted a silver motorcycle with no tag displayed. The rider quickly accelerated, reaching 70 miles per hour in a 55 miles per hour zone. When the trooper activated his lights and siren to initiate a traffic stop, the rider refused to stop and sped away, pushing the motorcycle to speeds of 115 miles per hour and officially starting the pursuit.
Yeah, 4-3. Which direction are you heading? Yeah, 4157. You hit 4.
I'm sorry, now what? 417 around. Right on Popular, oh, stand by.
The chase continued along South County Line Road as the rider drove recklessly while repeatedly glancing in his mirror, clearly aware the trooper was behind him. The trooper attempted several channelization techniques to safely stop the motorcycle, but the rider kept fleeing, even cutting through a field before entering a residential area.
Stop! Get on the ground! I will fucking shoot you! Get on the ground! I will shoot you! I will shoot you!
Realizing the danger to the public, the trooper made another attempt to end the pursuit, which caused the rider to lose control and crash into a fence. After the crash, the suspect immediately jumped up and ran through a nearby yard. The trooper chased him on foot and gave multiple commands to stop, but the suspect refused. The trooper then deployed his taser, striking the suspect and causing him to fall to the ground, where he was taken into custody.